Hello, welcome to ZM, and in this video we're going to be looking at how to basically differentiate and get the value of dy given that x is a certain value and d of x is a certain value. So let's say we have been given a problem. Let's say we have been given y is equal to x to the third minus 5x plus 10. So they want us to calculate for dy when my x is equivalent to 2 and my dx is given as 1 over 4. So if I'm going to solve such a problem, this is what I'll do. I'm going to say dy, and then I'm going to differentiate this. So when I differentiate this, I'm going to get 3x squared, and then here I'm just going to get a negative 5, and then when we differentiate 10, obviously we're going to get a 0, and then all this will be multiplied by dx. So here I can basically plug in my value of x, which is 2, so I'll have 3, just like that, 5, and then my dx is 1 over 4. So I can go ahead and solve this. So I'll have 3 times 4, which is 3 times 4, that is 12. So I'll have 12 minus 5 times 1 over 4. So that is 7 times 1 over 4, which is, therefore my dy will be 7 over 4. Yeah, will be 7 over 4. So then we've gotten the value of dy given dx to be a certain value and x to be a certain value. Now let's go ahead and try out another example. These are very basic, so I think, yeah. So let's say we have been told to find our value of dy when y is equal to 2x to the third power minus 4x squared plus 8x minus 1. So they want me to find my dy is equal to, I don't know, represented by a question mark. My x has been given as 3, and then my dx, let's say my dx was given as 0.1. So how would I go about solving such? So I can start by differentiating this and saying dy is equal. Once I differentiate this, I'm going to get 6x squared. I'm going to get 6x squared. Once I differentiate this, I'm going to get minus 4x. And then once I differentiate 8x, I'm always going to get an 8. Then negative 1, when we differentiate that, we obviously get a 0, which is irrelevant to write. Then notice that all this is being multiplied by dx. But first we're going to replace with our x as 3, so we're going to have this, and then 6 will be replaced by 3 squared minus 4, 3 plus 8. Sorry, let me just write my 8. And then all this is multiplied by dx, which is 0.1. So this is going to be equal to 6, 3 squared, that is 9, and then that is a negative 12, that is plus 8. So Once we evaluate this in the brackets, we're going to get a 38. And then remember that our 38 is being multiplied by a 0.1. So then hence our answer will be 0.8 as our value of dy. So this is how we basically go about such questions. So this has been your tutor ZM. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share the videos with friends. Thank you very much.